Hey guys, hey, I'm going to go ahead because I know you're going to have questions on some of these. I'm going to go ahead and break these up into 2 video segments of 5 questions each. So I'm going to go ahead and do the first 5 for these, even though you're submitting these tomorrow, because it's the end of the day here. So the first one here says fluorine 21 has a half-life of approximately 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds. It wants to know what is the percentage of the original nuclei which would remain after 20 seconds. Okay, so pretty simple there. If one half-life is 5 seconds, and after 20 seconds, well, 5 into 20 means it's went through 4 half-lives, okay? So 4 half-lives. So it wants to know what percentage, okay, of the half-life would it be? Well, that's pretty simple. So 4 half-lives, and you bring up, you think of this as 1/2, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So even though it said percentage, 1/16, and then what are you going to do? Then you're just going to divide, 16 into that, which is going to turn that into a percent, right? And your answer should have been 6.25%, okay? 6.25%. But if you put 1/16, I'm okay with that. That's the same thing, but it's just simple math there. You would convert that fraction into a percentage. So once again, 5 seconds. After total 20, 5 into 20, that's 5, 5, 5, 5. So want to know what percentage. So if I had my pie of the graph, half, 2 half-lives, 3 half-lives, 4, that's 1/16 left. So what percentage of that pie graph, which turned out to be 6.25. Okay, so that's number 1. That's number 1 on the 10 problems. Okay. Second one, iodine 131 has a half-life of 8 days. Okay, 8 days. How many grams of a 48-gram sample would remain at the end of 32 days? Well, that's pretty simple. So if 8 is 1 half-life, 8 into 32 goes 4 again, so that's 4 half-lives. So I just got to take 48 grams. Okay, that's my original start, and I'm going to divide it 4 times. So half of first half-life goes to 24, then halves again to 12, then halves again to 6, then halves again to 3. So the answer is said, obviously, if I had 48 grams, so my answer is going to be 3 grams. Okay? So number 2 is 3 grams. All right? Okay? So for number 3, okay,